integration of 2 to 5 mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 5 entire dx. To solve this problem, we have two strategies. The first strategy says that we can separate 2 to 5 mod x minus 2 dx, 2 to 5 x minus 3 dx and x minus 5 dx separately. There is no problem. The another strategy says that whenever you are getting such type of problem, you may combine all the modulus sign together and found the different part of integration. So in this video we are going to learn how we will combine all the expression and get the expression to solve the integral. So to solve this, first we are going to get the critical point. So to finding critical point, we are equating with 0 all the modulus separately. So x minus 2 0, x is equals to 2, means the first critical point is 2. Then second critical point x minus 3 0, x is equals to 3. Then third critical point x minus 5 0, x is equals to 5. Now on number line we will see how the modulus expression will behave when they will fall on right side of critical point, left side of critical point. So we are having 2 as a first critical point, 3 as a another critical point and 5 as a another critical point. Now we observe that x minus 2 means modulus of x plus 2 is positive when we are considering greater than 2, means this is x plus x minus 2. The modulus, when we will break the modulus from right side of 2, the modulus sign will be x minus 2. On the same way, left hand side of this would be minus of x minus 2. So we may write 2 minus x. Minus of x minus 2. So which can be written as a 2 minus x. On the same way, when we are considering this modulus sign from 3 to right, this would be x minus 3, and from left of 3 this would be 3 minus x. On the same way, when we are considering 5, so from 5 onward this is x minus 5, and left of the 5, from left of the 5 this is going to be 5 minus x. Now we will see the entire expression how we can generate. So fx can be written as, the first part is minus 2 to 3. Why? Because lower limit is 2 and upper limit is 5. So we can see that 2 to 5 we have only one critical point, 3. So 1 would be 2 to 3 and 3 to 5. There would be only the two expression, 2 to 3 and 3 to 5. So here we are going to check whether the 2 to 5 we are going to take or 2 to 3, 3 to 5 we will see it. So when x is greater than 2 and less than equals to 3, what is the scenario? The scenario is this is positive, means x plus 2 is positive, x minus 2 is positive, and between 2 to 3, these both are 3 minus x and 5 minus x. So plus 3 minus x plus 5 minus x. And from 3 to 5, between 3 to 5, we can see that this expression is x minus 3. This expression is plus x minus 2, and this expression is 5 minus x. So if we are solving fx, so fx would be x minus x can be cancelled out, and this would be 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2, which is 6, and minus x when x belongs to 2 and 3. Another, we will see x plus x and minus x, so both will be cancelled out. X 3 and 2, 5, and 5 would be cancelled out. So when x belongs to 3 to 5, the expression is x. So entire integration we can write 2 to 3, 6 minus x dx plus 3 to 5 x dx. Now we will integrate it. So this would be 6x minus x square by 2, value 2 to 3, plus x square by 2, value 3 to 5. So this would be, when we will replace with the maximum value, we will get 18 minus 9 by 2 minus of 12 minus 4 by 2 plus 25 by 2 minus 9 by 2. Further, we will open the bracket. 18 minus 9 by 2 minus 12 plus 2 plus 25 by 2 and minus 9 by 2. Here we can see that 12, 18, 2 plus 18, 20 minus 12 is plus 8, and 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 is 18 by 2, left 25 by 2. This is minus 9, so the answer is minus 1 plus 25 by 2, which is 23 by 2. So the final answer is 23 by 2. In the next video, we will see how we can solve with a different form, another different way. But remember it, when you are doing the calculation here, your function is minimized. You have got the minimum function, and when your calculation is less from beginning, so you will get so many terms to simplify it. So remember it, either you need to simplify first or you need to simplify later on. Both the way you are going to get the correct answer.